Offering panoramic views of the Caribbean Sea, Nizuc Resort and Spa is located on the secluded Punta Nizuc and features an outdoor pool, private dock and spa. Free Wi-Fi and free private parking are available to guests. The air-conditioned rooms offer Nespresso coffee makers and flat-screen TVs. The spacious bathrooms feature bathtubs with rainfall showers. The 6 on-site restaurants serve modern Mexican dishes, Peruvian ceviches as well as Asian and Mediterranean food. Tours and activities can be arranged by the concierge. Nizuc Resort and Spa has event and meeting facilities. Guests can enjoy a variety of massages or treatments in the luxurious on-site spa. The Nizuc thermal experience is a feast to awaken the senses through a guided circuit of hydrotherapy. Laguna Nizuc can be reached 4.3 miles. Cancun International Airport is a 10 minutes drive from Nizuc Resort and Spa. The center of Cancun can be reached within 25 minutes by car. Don't forget to like the video, and subscribe to the channel.